everybody and welcome back to our channel. So today I'm coming at you guys with a fun creative DIY video. So I know that everybody is either making face masks at the moment or they're buying face masks. But I thought while everybody is locked up in quarantine or you're in lockdown, why don't we have some fun and let's decorate our face masks and make various face masks to go with our various different outfits for when we can leave the house. So are you guys a member of the family? If not, hit that subscribe button right now so you are notified every time we upload a new video. So guys, if you don't know how to make a face mask, then go and check out my dad's video down below. It's linked down below in the description box. He shows you guys how to make a face mask whether you have a beard or not. So go check it out. It has patterns and everything. It's a great video.
Now the sponsor of this video today is UT Source. Now UT Source is actually an electronics supplier, but due to COVID-19 they've gone into supplying zero profit healthcare products. Their products include the KN95 masks, infrared thermometer, disposable surgical masks, protective goggles, disposable latex gloves. Now the great thing about UT Source is that they're able to ship to you even now in lockdown, 3 to 7 days using DHL or FedEx, and that product is coming straight to your door. Now I'm sure you all agree, we're all looking for these products right now. So go check out utsource.net. I'm leaving a link down below where you can go check them out and see everything that they have.
Okay, so today I'm going to show you guys 3 different ways that you can decorate your face mask. The first way is going to be just embellishing your face mask. So go check out that video down below, like I mentioned, so that you can get the pattern of how to make the face mask first. The second video is going to be how to make ribbons to your face mask so that you don't have to use elastic, because I know elastic can hurt a lot of people's ears. And then the third way is how to revamp an old t-shirt into a face mask. So guys, under lockdown it can be pretty hard to get your hands on some fabric if you don't have fabric lying around the house. So what I thought you guys could do is, if you have an old t-shirt lying around like I do, you can grab your t-shirt and you can crop it and use the leftover bottom fabric for your face mask. That way your face mask so matches the t-shirt when you wear them together, so it's a bonus. So all you want to do is just cut off about 3 to 4 inches off of the bottom of your shirt. Okay, so now that you guys are done cutting off the bottom half of your shirt, you're left with enough fabric to make your face mask. So we're going to turn this into a face mask, and if you want the pattern, go to the video down below. And you're left with an awesome crop top too. Guys, if you go to the description box down below, you'll see a link to my dad's blog. And on the blog, he describes what fabrics are good to use in stopping the virus and what fabrics aren't as good. For example, t-shirt fabrics are actually really good. So if you do have a leftover t-shirt or an extra t-shirt at home, I definitely recommend following the first hack by cutting your t-shirt in half. So guys, this is what our first face mask turned out to be. It looks super duper amazing. Now obviously, as you guys saw, this does require a bit more ability to use a sewing machine, or you can even hand stitch it if you guys know how to hand stitch. But I strongly recommend is if you have a family member that knows how to sew, like a grandmother or a mother in the household, you can just ask them to do it for you, maybe draw up a little mock-up and show them what your ideas are and have them do it. Once again, you can really go to town with how you actually do this. Just be as creative as you can and find pieces around home that you want to add to it and all of that. But it looks super snazzy. I'm super impressed with it. So I'm going to show you what it looks like on. decorate your face masks is that you guys can just have fun and go to town with embellishments. So if you have like little pearls or jewels that you want to sew on, or if you have other jewels and stuff that you guys just want to glue on. It was literally that simple. It took me probably about 10 minutes and it's quite like effective. It looks pretty nice. It looks like something you would buy for $15, but I made it using materials just found at home. What do you think? Face mask, what I was thinking of doing is I found this adorable fabric here at home. It's just a small piece, but it's enough to make a face mask. And I thought, why not turn this into a face mask and add some pretty ribbons to it, because I know elastic hurts a lot of people's ears. So if you guys have any small scraps of fabric at home that are decorated or have prints on them, you can turn that into a face mask, and that's decoration in itself. Here is our face mask using the scrap fabric. It turned out super cute, and the scrap fabric, we obviously chose a printed version. It definitely is nice and effective. It definitely adds a nice accessory to your outfit. So guys, this is our final and last face mask. As I mentioned before, we made this just using fabric scraps that we found around the house. So what makes this one different is that we've used ribbons instead of elastics, because we understand that it can be quite hard to find elastic now with lockdown. So by using ribbons, you're also ensuring that you're not going to hurt your ears, because after a while, not going to lie, the elastic does pull on your ears. It can get quite uncomfortable. So when we're using the ribbons, we just sewed the ends of the ribbons together so that it makes one bow at the back of your head. And just a tip, if you guys want, is to maybe tie your hair up or put your hair in a bun and tie the bow above your ponytail or your bun to ensure that the ribbon doesn't slip throughout the day or while you're out. But overall, I'm really happy with how this turned out. I hope you enjoyed these little DIY tips and tricks for your face masks that you can do at home. If you liked this, then go check out the link to my blog down below in the description box, because I've got tons more inspirational photos and ideas for you to follow if you want to revamp your face mask. While you guys are here, check out this video right over here so that you can see how to actually make a safe face mask with a filter inside. I hope you guys are staying safe in lockdown and quarantine.